Hi everyone! Today we're going to see how to install Windows 11 on all the hardware, creating the USB install media in openSUSE. So, first of all, we created the USB install media in openSUSE. Now we're going to download Windows 11. We need to download the ISO. We choose our language. And we begin the download. Now we're going to download the Ventoy. We need to select Linux. And after that we select Linux again. We open the README file where we find the instructions. In this case, we need to just double click on the file, for example, Ventoy GUI x8664, because this is the correct one for our hardware. If your hardware is different, of course, you select the right one for yourself. We select our USB key, press install and proceed. And it's created. Now we need to go and download, copy our Windows 11 ISO and paste it in our USB key named Ventoy. And now we're going to try it in two different motherboards. This first one is an ASUS, and the next one will be a Gigabyte. I'm going to try all the different options that I find. This one works. In case you have more than one ISO inside the USB key, you need to use the arrows and enter to select it. Ventoy is good because we can have more than one ISO inside. This option doesn't work, and the next one works. Okay, now we're going to try it in our Gigabyte motherboard. The same process, just in this one we see only one option. Okay, at this point we are going to see how to install Windows 11. First of all, in this phase we need to press Shift plus F10, but only if it is an old hardware not supported by Windows 11, otherwise just proceed. So please, at this point, pause the video, read carefully the correct path, because you can't make mistakes here. So read it from the video, also the name of the folder that I'm creating. Basically, we need to select setup, new key, create a folder lab config. The C in config is capital C, and after that we need to create some raggedy word. My advice is to read the names and write them correctly as I have written them, okay? Because we can't make mistakes. If you mistype it, it doesn't work. And remember to select 1 as a value to be active. So at this point we have created a bypass for the TPM check for the secure boot. Now we are creating it for the CPU. So at this point we are creating a bypass also for the RAM, but my advice, at least for the RAM, is to make sure to have enough, because otherwise the system is going to be actually slow. Always the value 1 to be active. And we can close it. And now we can proceed. I'm going to select that I don't have an activation key. We need to accept, next, custom. It's better to delete whatever is there. And next. Perfect. At this point we are selecting our state, the language for our keyboard. At this point we can add another keyboard layout. Even if we press I, doesn't bring us to Italy or things like this. So we need to go there manually. Next, Italia. Now it's going to search for updates. I will name this device Windows 11 PC. Okay. I will set it up for personal use. And I'm going to sign in. This part will be useful later, because I'm going to have some configuration already ready when I finish. It's here. Restore from Windows 11 PC. It's a previous installation. We need to press next. We create a pin. We can also choose to include letters and symbols. Now you need to choose your privacy settings. I will skip this part. Also this one. Decline. Decline. Skip for now. Of course, if you are interested in any of these packages from Microsoft, just accept it and go ahead. Okay, and here we are. The first thing that I'm doing is to update from the Microsoft Store. I already have my library, and there I can find the applications that I have chosen and installed before. So there it's actually useful to log in with your actual account. You can see all the various packages that I have chosen in the past. So at this point, just as advice, the first steps would be to update the system and to personalize it with the theme that we prefer. I'm going to choose this dark one because I prefer it. And now I will proceed with all the updates. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any comment or suggestion, please comment below, and see you the next time. Bye!